How to change music on Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So many of you have asked, can you change music on Instagram after already posting? Unfortunately, changing music after you have already posted is not possible. But if you have not added any music at all, then you can add music. I'll show you how. You can go to your Instagram, find the post where you want to add the music, and then go to the three dots in the top right, and then go to edit. Now you need to tap on add location option at the top. It keeps on changing. You can see there's option to add AI label, add partnership label. You need to tap on it, and then you can see add music option. You need to tap on it, and then you can choose any music of your choice. So remember that if you have already chosen the music, then you cannot change it. But if you post without music, then you can add the music later. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.